So, welcome everybody. Welcome, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Mark. I'm one of the regional directors here by Safir International. And yeah, excited to share with you all details and the necessary information about the launch of the pre-sale to our newest minting project, minting model. I think most of you are familiar with that. So let's warm up a little bit, a few minutes, but I see people joining, and I'm sure we will see within the next few minutes joining a lot of people. So yeah, let's start with our typical disclaimers into this session: launch time, new project, and pre-launch, the pre-sale for these minting hubs, and what this is all about I will explain shortly. Yeah, so first a disclaimer: we're talking about hardware. Yeah, Safir is a direct selling division, hardware related, technology related, and also the project I will show you today is a technology project, yeah, disrupting different industries, and amazing opportunity for everyone to participate in the early stage of amazing technology. And minting, yeah, is one of our main categories with the underlying hardware and add-on minting hubs. You can produce tokens on the smart chain, even on the blockchain. We have a smart chain and the blockchain with our master partner in the category blockchain tech, Zeniq, and amazing long-term minting projects connected to real-world projects, yeah, economy projects, technology projects, real estate projects, yeah. So not that typical crypto, yeah, hot air stuff. 95% of all cryptocurrency are disappearing for sure within the next 5 years, or are useless or down or whatever. Yeah, so not having any connection, any backup, any real business connected to, or assets connected to. So this is very important to understand. And yeah, on the other side, we have also the possibility to deposit and to withdraw cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so that's why we have a typical crypto disclaimer. These cryptocurrencies are volatile. There's a lot of misleading information worldwide in the web for sure, and a lot of companies are not, yeah, serving or delivering that what they're promising. Also, take care, always look for real world projects, for real economy, for real participation, long term, yeah, and not this short term hype and blah blah blah. We saw this so many times. Yeah, so that's important to understand. The next wave, yeah, the disrupting of the cargo and transportation industry, that's what we will discuss. So if it comes to technology, we know a lot of big brands. Yeah, some of them are over 100 years old in the car industry, Daimler-Benz, Ford as an example. Yeah, but there are companies coming 100 years later, yeah, like Tesla, and disrupting this industry. Yeah, and disrupting, yeah, biggest car producer today is Tesla. Yeah, so the secret in business is to see where the world is going and to be there first. Yeah, and let's see if we understand why we can potentially be first in a different industry. Tesla is too late. Yeah, the mobile phone industry is also too late. Yeah, this was disrupted in 2008. Yeah, Apple came with the iPhone, was connecting the old mobile phone technology, yeah, called SMS, yeah, with the internet. Yeah, disruption. Yeah, before Nokia, #1, Ericsson, others. Yeah, so within 1 year, yeah, the whole industry was disrupted, and Apple, yeah, and later Samsung came also to the top. Yeah, so these two big leaders in the mobile phone category. Yeah, so you can see also established industries with big brands can be disrupted, yeah, within a short period of time. Yeah, and we're talking about an industry today which is very young, yeah, which is going big in the future, in the next 5-10 years. So a lot will change. Yeah, and think of this sentence from Bill Gates: the secret in business is to see where the world is heading to. Yeah, and I can see one thing. Yeah, I see the trucks anywhere in the big cities, in Manila, in Bangkok, in Jakarta, in Berlin, in Paris, in New York, yeah, standing in traffic. Yeah, different times where they cannot go on the street, cannot drive on the street. Yeah, so the trains are limited, the airplanes are limited. Yeah, so there are a lot of transportation vehicles on the air, on the ground, yeah, which are limited. And we will talk about this revolution. So you can see these letters HSV, yeah, STOL. What means that? High speed, short takeoff and landing. So that means these drones, yeah, with their technology are able to land and take off, yeah, vertical, anywhere on the mountains, on your house, in your village, in your town, in your city, on your hospital, wherever. Yeah, so, and yeah, other factors, other one-of-its-kind features we will discuss to understand the potential of these technologies, okay? So, as a drone not flying here, okay, I must always open the door here for people, guys. Goes, let the guests in, more and more coming. So welcome everybody, welcome everybody. We are started and all details about our disruptive technology project today. So, following limitations. So if there are limitations in the industry, yeah, and you come up with technology to solve these problems, yeah, to solve these limitations, then you have a big potential to be a big brand, yeah, and to make a lot of money. So airplanes, high autonomy, long range, and fast in speed. No question about this. But however, requires runways. Yeah, so you can't do that anywhere. You can't use and transport goods anywhere. Yeah, so you need big cities, you need airports, yeah, to deliver. Then the helicopter, yeah, yeah, short term or short ways are more flexible. Yeah, however, low speed and higher fuel consumption. So you cannot use it on a daily basis to be a courier or to deliver goods or medicals or whatever. Yeah, so it's too expensive. Yeah, even the price of an helicopter is in millions. Yeah, and the consumption of fuel is massive. Yeah, so it's also not that what we are looking for. Then conventional drones, yeah, they are too slow. Yeah, low speed and short range. Yeah, and also not that load capacity in the market what we are looking for. So what can be better? Yeah, the Tupan aircraft company is since years in the development of drone technologies with a special turbine technology, also with the electro motor, yeah, like Tesla was revolutionizing the car industry with the electromobile, yeah. Also here, electro is one option, and this disrupting turbine technology, yeah. So long range with high load capacity, very important, high load capacity, depending on the model, depending on the wingspan, on the size of the drone. Then the range, imagine up to 1,200 kilometer range. Yeah, that's enough. That's great. Yeah, so you can do a lot, you can transfer a lot. Yeah, up to 400 plus kilogram. Yeah, depending on the wingspan. We have drones here with 2.20 meter wingspan. That's the smallest, starting by $250,000. So imagine we are thinking in categories $250,000 up to millions for a single product. So imagine other companies are happy if they have a yearly, let's say, sales or revenue of a few million or something like that. Yeah. So imagine you're selling one Boeing airplane. Yeah. So multi-millions for a single product. Yeah. Who's buying that? Airlines all around the world. Yeah. So with companies, and we will talk about today about products, potential customer on a basis of, yeah, governments, any kind of institution, big companies, small companies, medium companies. Yeah, so on a level where the money is, guys. Yeah, this is important to understand. Yeah, so big sales possible. Yeah, if you have the right technology. Yeah, 2.20 meter wingspan, 6.40 meter, 8.60 meter, and over 10 meter, the biggest category. So 3 meter more than a big soccer goal, guys. This is huge. Yeah, this is like a jet, also a fighter jet size. Yeah, so this is 8 to 13 meter. So that's amazing. That's huge, and big capacity up to 850 kilometer per hour. Yeah, so depending on the model, on the size, yeah, up to 850 kilometer per hour, and the bigger ones can fly up to 30,000 feet high. Yeah, so that's huge. that's one of its kind. And if it comes to the important question, if it comes to the challenger in these categories, so the competition, the speed, fastest by around 200 kilometer per hour, 100, 150, 200 kilometer per hour. Our category is up to 850. The range, 100, 150, 220, range competition, 1,200. So massive difference. The loading capacity, by the competition, between 10 kilogram, 50, 80, 100, 120, something like that. So 400 kilo. This is, if I count this in travel bags, I'm not talking about a hand baggage. I'm talking about hand baggage is 7 kilo, and the bigger ones are 23 kilo. Imagine round about 18 big, heavy travel bags. From the weight. That can the big drone carry. So this is what the world needs. This is what institution needs. This is what governments needs. For different possibilities. We will have a look at these possibilities here in a minute, guys. So welcome everybody who's coming later. We are in the middle of this presentation. Amazing drone technology, disrupting drone technology, and own in-house software, in-house navigation system. You can pilot these kind of drones autonomously and even with the remote control. And exactly on the point. You can also change the route from the ground station while they are flying. So you can deliver goods and cargo by landing and also from the air. So if you are on a rescue mission, on the ocean, you cannot land on the ocean, but you can deliver goods, or a boat or whatever is needed, or in the mountains, snow, or a lot of mountain regions. There's a storm, there's an accident, somebody's missed. You can search, you can detect, you can rescue, whatever. So a lot of possibilities. And here is the special turbine technology, and the possibility to move them, for this vertical landing. And this is also an important comparison to the competition in those bigger drones categories. They need a runaway. They need a runaway. So they can't go up, they can't take off vertical anywhere, on the mountain, on the hospital, in the village, in the town, in the city, wherever, on the soccer field, whatever. So this is amazing. This flexibility, and even alternative, the electromotor solution. But electromotor, like I said, Tesla, big story in the car industry, is the other possibility. So what we have so far, a new aircraft company, over the last 5-6 years, developed a lot of devices, a lot of categories, and working on innovative solutions for the future. So it's a non-stop process, a non-stop science, a non-stop development. They have a fantastic team of engineers, science, and tech guys from Brazil, and Aeronautic Institute, Technology Institute, Department of Airspace, and they are based with their center in a highly secured area where different companies, airlines, not airlines, but everything what has to do with aviation, in any form, scientific center, whatever, and they recruited over the years massive experience, people with decades of experience on the highest level in any part of engineering, of developing devices and airplanes, whatever, in these categories. So the first cargo delivery service in the world with low cost, with high speed, and with long range up to 1,200 kilometers. That's huge. Okay, so that's only possible through the exclusive turbo machine propulsion system. This vertical takeoff and landing, and disruptive solution to change the tradition of transport. We have trucks all around the world, stocking in the traffic. We have trains, we have airplanes, they need runaways, helicopters are too expensive, and consumption, the drones, the typical drones, short range, too slow, less capacity to transport goods. So that's one of its kind. So look at these pictures, mountain regions worldwide, yeah, snowstorm, rescue, search, alone that on the ocean, in the mountains, anywhere, yeah, then fire detection and firefighting, guys. There are national parks around the world. There are forests burning in California. You saw the pictures, I think 1-2 years ago, massive fire, forest fire. In Europe, every summer, in Greece, in Germany, in Portugal, wherever, big problem. So imagine every government, every city, yeah, every company, yeah, every institution needs this kind of drones to support, to search, to detect, yeah, to transport, organ transportation, yeah, emergency medical stuff from hospital to hospital, whatever, yeah. So agriculture, yeah, alone in the USA, I saw the number yesterday. Bill Gates was buying, I don't know, 200,000 hectare, yeah, farmland in the last years, yeah. So, and I saw the comparison. This is 0.03% of the US farmland alone, yeah. This is over 200,000 hectare, and this is only 0.03%. So this is huge. There alone, you can sell hundreds of drones, but 100 drones, yeah, in the price category of millions, 100 of millions in sales, guys. Yeah, this is not a whatever supplement for $30-50 or something like that. This is Champions League category. It's like you're selling helicopters. It's like you're selling planes. It's like you're selling expensive cars. Yeah, a single car even can cost $100,000, $200,000, $500,000. You know, you don't need so much to sell. Yeah, so that's a specific category, but yeah, you can see all these use cases, and that's only yeah, the head of the iceberg. Yeah, what you can do, what you can transport. Yeah, the oil platforms in the ocean. Yeah, you can transport goods, you can make courier service, whatever. Yeah, so many use cases. But remember again, yeah, high speed. Yeah, carry up to 400 kilo and more. Yeah, short takeoff and landing, up to 850 kilometers per hour, 33,000 feet high. Yeah, that's huge. That's not to compare with any competition. And if you have no competition, guys, then you are alone. Then you create a new category. Yeah, you are a category creator. And that's what you need to understand. And if you are in the early stage, yeah, into Tesla, into Microsoft, into Apple, as they disrupted 2008 the mobile phone market, yeah, then you have a big chance, yeah, to participate massive, yeah, not at the stage where they are already multi-billion-dollar companies. And this is what you need to understand. That's the opportunity, yeah, to get your share in this tokenized part of the company. And if it comes to the potential of this industry, this drone technology market is not so matured like the mobile phone market or the car producer market. Yeah, so there are hundreds of years since 1800 something. There are cars on this planet. Yeah, but drones is a young market. Is a big demand. Yeah, a lot of interest from countries, from institutions, from governments. Yeah, so it's future. In the future, we will be in the air. Yeah, we were flying with a taxi, the policeman will come with a ride on a motorcycle, but flying. Yeah, so, and we need to be first in the future by making decisions, by joining this opportunity. And the drone market is expected to grow to, yeah, around about 45-50 billion, yeah, in the next 2-3 years, but it can be much faster. The demand is crazy, and for sure, yeah, the next 5 years, 10 years, yeah, this will go to 100 billion, 200 billion and more. And in 10, 20 years, it is, yeah, possible, normal to fly to the supermarket, yeah, to get picked up in the cinema with the drone taxi and all the things. And they will be into this. They will into this. They have the scientists, they have the developers, and they will go, yeah, in this evolution of the drone technology market with patents they have, yeah, with a lot of one of its kind advantages. Okay, so mechanics. Now it's very interesting. What are the mechanics for the price development? So it's not to compare the simple cryptocurrency. Yeah, we're talking about the Tdron token. Yeah, Tdron token. That's the token we are minting. Yeah, with the minting hub Tdron, yeah, available today in pre-sale in the shop of Safir International. Yeah, and I will give you in a few minutes also the time when you can order first, and especially also what is the condition for that. Yeah, what is the price? What you get for this price? This is amazing. And there's an early bird special, one of its kind. So part of the Tupan Aircraft Company, LTDA, that's the name of the Tupan Aircraft Company. It's indirectly tokenized. That means a part of this company is tokenized as an SPV. And SPV means special purpose vehicle. Yeah, it's a company as a special purpose vehicle. Yeah, be tokenized. Yeah, and on this company, on this part of the aviation of the aircraft company, yeah, every single token, it's a share. Yeah, on this SPV. That means the more tokens I'm minting, the more shares I have on this SPV. And with the increasing valuation of the company, yeah, also the share of this tokenized part of this aircraft company will increase. Yeah, so that's the difference. So it's really important to understand it's not a stock. Yeah, there are no dividends. It's not a financial product. Yeah, we are selling hardware. And with this hardware, we are minting this Tdron token. Yeah, and every single Tdron token we are minting is a share of the SPV, yeah, the tokenized part of this Tupan Aircraft Company, okay? And that's very interesting, but traditionally with companies of this type, yeah, such as Apple, Tesla, all the ones I mentioned, the stock or token value increases over proportionally with an increasing market success. Yeah, so it means every shareholder who's coming in on the traditional side. Yeah, so there are different channels. Yeah, there's a big portion of our hub sales, yeah, going into this company. Yeah, so increasing the value of the company. Yeah, the balance sheet of the company. Yeah, there are other channels. Yeah, accredited investors, shareholders, whatever. Yeah, increasing the valuation of the company. Yeah, every deal, every contract, every customer, governments, institutions, yeah, companies around the world, yeah, increasing the value, the valuation of this company. Okay, and with that, your portion, your tokens, yeah, depending on the number, yeah, on this SPV, yeah, on this special purpose vehicle. Okay, and this is amazing. This is a new category, even in our minting category. Yeah, so it's a different kind of token, yeah, different kind of background, and the chance on an early stage, yeah, to participate indirect on a disruptive technology company. In the future, remember, the Gates, for those who are coming later, the secret in business is to see where the world is going and to be there first, before the world is there. And in 5 to 10 years, you will see a lot of changes. You will see things flying which are not flying today in that way. Okay, so let's go first and let's see how you can participate, how you can mint this Tdron token. Yeah, so you need a Tdron token hub. Yeah, but there are two possibilities. If you are partner already, customer already, and you have a own Zeniq hub. Doesn't matter if this is the hub 01, yeah, the price is 1,000 or 2,000 euro, let's say this. Yeah, the housing hub 01, it's 1,500 euro. If you own one of those, yeah, you can simply buy the housing hub Tdron for 998 euro. Yeah, there are also farms with 2 housing hubs, with 4, with 8, with 16, 32, and so on. Yeah, and also shares, yeah, of a hub. Yeah, starting by 100 euro. Okay, that's the first possibility. If you are new, if you don't own a Zeniq hub, don't worry. You have a fantastic price. You simply buy this Tdron full hub for only 1,298. Yeah, this is amazing. Yeah, we produce a lot of Tdron token, yeah, on a daily basis, and there's some special, yeah, we need to talk about this. On the other side, for those who can't afford, yeah, a full hub or even a farm, the 2, 4, 8, 16 or more devices, you can also start with the share. 100 euro is a share of a full hub. Yeah, it's a share, it's a little pool where 32 people sharing one full Tdron hub. Yeah, the next pool, 16 people sharing, yeah, a 1/16 share on a full hub for each 135, minting for many years to come. Yeah, so 8 people sharing this pool Yeah, one hub divided by 8. Yeah, each one can buy this share for 220. Yeah, minting for many years. Yeah, 400 euro, that's a quarter share of a hub. Yeah, and 700 euro is a half hub. Okay, also amazing and amazing numbers over the years. In summary, you can produce. Yeah, and remember, every single token is a share on this SPV, tokenized part of the Tupan aircraft company. Okay, that's amazing. That's a huge possibility for you to come into an industry, technology, without knowing every detail, without being an expert, without being a stock owner or whatever. Yeah, so you can participate. You can mint even with 100 euro. You can start. Yeah, to produce your Tupan tokens on the smart chain of Zeniq into your wallet. Yeah, and after the pre-sale phase, by minting start in a few weeks, you can even flexible anytime sell your tokens on different exchanges, and you can hold them as participation on this SPV, on this tokenized part of this aircraft company. Okay, so that's amazing. We have 2 halvings, taking care that over the years the number of Tupan token is not inflating. Yes, it must be limited. There must be a limited supply. Okay, so when the supply is not produced upfront, like many cryptocurrencies, no, the supply will be produced over the next round about 10 years. Yeah, the majority over the next 5-6 years already. Yeah, but the halving is decreasing this minting factor, this production, this numbers every year, depending on the node we sold, step by step, floating year by year. Yeah, so you have your entry point, that's the sales halving. That means if I buy today, I will reserve myself definitely straight after this, when we start, when in the back office, in the shop, these products are available, I will go in and I will purchase. Yeah, I will have a special minting factor, which I reserve for the next few weeks. Yeah, and then a few days later, this minting factor will decrease for the future customer. Yeah, and then every week will decrease by 1% for the future customer, not for us who bought today or tomorrow, or you know what I mean? Yeah, so decreasing minting factor, that's your entry point. If you bought, sales halving is gone for you, only for the future customer. They have another entry point, another starting minting factor. Okay, then after you bought, you have only the time halving. And the time halving is decreasing slowly, step by step, floating week by week, a little bit. Your minting factor every year, floating by 50%. Over many years is the minting process, so you will produce a lot, tens of thousands of Tupan token with a full hub, with one full hub, 1,300 or 998, depending if you have the underlying hardware. Yeah, very easy. And the shares, a half node is producing the half number of this, a quarter, quarter number of this. Yeah, and now the question, how much is the minting factor to start with? Yeah, and now stay tuned and look at this massive incentive. Yeah, we never had this in this way before. We are prepared, we are launching something, and we're starting with 120 minting factor in the pre-sale season for the next few weeks. Yeah, you can reserve now this weekend and up to the 31st of January. So 4 days, today, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, you can buy these nodes, these minting farms with the minting factor of 120%, means 20% more than the minting factor which will start or which will be available by minting start in a few weeks. Yeah, so 20% more. Yeah, and this is in numbers for sure. Yeah, a 5-figure. Yeah, so more than 10,000 token. Over time, what you will mint more. Then you start with the 100% a few weeks. Okay, so this is a huge opportunity, and the partners and customers which are familiar with other minting projects in our house, they know how it works, and they're saying, wow, 120%, that's never been done before in this form and this availability in this time frame. So this is huge, and your opportunity to get maximum tokens here in the minting process over the next few years. And then on February 1, we will decrease this, yeah, to the pre-sale phase of 110, the first week of February. If you buy in this time frame, you reserve yourself 110% minting factor, and you start by minting start with 110. Yeah. If you buy 1 week later, second week of February, you will have 109 as the entry point. Yeah, means by minting start, a few weeks later, you will start with 109. Yeah, if you're buying in the third week of February, 108. You buying third week, 108 is your entry point. You reserve 108 and you will start with 108 by minting start. The customer who's coming later by minting start in a few weeks will get 100% only. It's good. 100% is perfect. Yeah. 90% is good. 80% is good. 50 is good in a number of months. Yeah. It is decreasing with the number of customers and the time frame here in the pre-sale, very important in which week you are buying. So the next 4 days, you have 120%, 20% more than the starting point 100. Okay, so that's amazing. And now some things you need to know about the recommendation marketing. Ask your host. If you don't know the affiliate program, we have amazing bonuses, fantastic affiliate benefit program, and the commissionable volume, yeah, and the percentage which is going into this company from the sales of our hardware is 50%. That means 50% of all the sales we are doing with our hardware, in case of this Tdron nodes, will go into this SPV and will increase the balance sheet of the SPV. Yeah, so if you're producing millions, multi-millions in sales, yeah, the balance sheet will increase. Yeah, the valuation of the company will increase by side of all the other channels they have. Yeah, all these traditional investors, shareholders, partnerships, etc. Yeah, so there's another big channel coming from us. Yeah, you know, we have almost 600,000 customers and partners worldwide. So this is good. Yeah, this is good. But the more we are selling, the more cash flow is going additionally into the company, the more higher the valuation will be in the future. And with our minted tokens, remember, every token is a share from this SPV, from the tokenized part of the Tupan aircraft company. Okay, so that's amazing. Yeah, you can also make money in our affiliate system. We have amazing income streams, amazing projects also already running. Yeah, so you have a choice, but this is for me a very special opportunity. Yeah, from the point of view with this background, with this technology disrupting this transport, this cargo aviation industry, and a lot of use cases, a lot of fantastic potentially customers, governments, institutions all around the world. Yeah, so the proposal of this project aims at a new world market in an autonomous transport of air cargo with the implementations of Tupan aircraft, nautical industry of Tupan drones. Thank you for being here. Yeah, if somebody missed this opportunity to hear the details today, yeah, we have this recorded also, and we will have in the next few days all these sessions. We have different sessions in different languages today. We have split this in different sessions here to cover all and to be not too crowded in the single session. So thank you for being here. Go back to your host if you have questions. And most important, let me check the time. Around 30 to 60 minutes. Yeah, this project and the Tdron shares, hubs, etc., will be available in the Safir shop. Yeah, don't count exactly the minutes. Yeah, within the next hour, yeah, roundabout, it will be available, and you can get your hands on. You can buy your shares, your hubs, your minting farms, whatever you are looking for. So the chance is yours. So stay tuned for the next episodes, for the next meetings here in the house. Have a nice weekend and hope to see you soon. Yeah, bye-bye for now.